Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a pop-up chat notification effects in the CapCut Mobile. So in here, what you need to do is add the video that you want. You can add a video of you playing with your phone like this, and then prepare a video of you chatting someone, maybe on WhatsApp or Instagram, and screen record it. So I've already did mine, so I'm going to just add it as overlay. Okay, so add the screen recorded video as overlay, and in here I'm going to trim, or I'm going to crop the video to the part of the chat message here. So I'm going to go to transform and click on resize. Now I'm going to just crop it like this. Okay, don't forget to adjust the size. Click on the check icon and now put it on the top. Okay, I'm going to trim the video. Sorry, I resized the video again, so this will be the video. Don't forget to adjust the size and put the position to your liking. I'm going to put the video in here. Okay, after that you can just go to Splice, and here you can use the filter or the lighten category mode, and just click on the check icon, and if it doesn't show up, well, you can go to adjust and adjust the contrast or maybe the brightness. Okay, click on the check icon and you are done. This will be the result. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.